Hello everyone, in this short video I'm going to show how to create a bar chart using Tableau. And for this video and the following videos I'm always going to use sample superstore dataset, which is available on the Tableau software. So probably you hear from other people that there's always more than one way to do the same thing in Tableau, which is true. You will find your own techniques by experiencing Tableau, and then you will find best ways to do the same task. So I'm going to show you 5 different ways to create a bar chart in Tableau. The easiest way is just to double clicking on the measure you want to visualize. So let's double click on sales, and as you see on the screen there is a bar chart, and this bar chart shows the sum of sales. The second way is by dragging sales from measures to the data pane to rows shelf, and again you see a continuous pill appears and it's the sum of sales on the screen. And the third way is by pre-selecting the sales measure by clicking on it, and then after you select sales, under show me menu, horizontal bar is highlighted. So click on this, and now you can see a horizontal bar on the screen. If you prefer the vertical orientation, you can click here swap option, or you can press on your keyboard Ctrl and W. So now you have vertical bar. And next option is by changing the mark type on an existing view to bar. Let's say we want to see sales, double click on sales, and over the years. So Tableau automatically draws a line chart, but if you bring your mouse here on the marks pane and then choose bar chart from the list, you can get bar chart, and that shows sum of sales over the years. And a final way to create a bar chart is by right clicking, and then while right clicking, drag the sum of sales to the data pane to rows shelf, and the drop down menu is going to open, and that shows different ways to aggregate the sales data. And if you realize in the previous bar charts that we created, the default aggregation was sum, and that works for most situations. But sometimes you may want to be interested in different types of aggregation, and the choice of the aggregation will influence your analysis. And you can see the different types of aggregation on this drop down menu. And as you know, sum is the sum of all sales added up together. AVG represents all of your sales added up and then divided by the number of records. Median, the sales are sorted, and the sales amount for the record in the exact middle of your data is your median sales. CNT represents the count of all records with sales. CNTD represents a count of distinct sales amounts. Minimum is the smallest sales value in your data, and maximum is the largest sales value in your data. And then we can choose average sale here and then click OK. Now you get the bar chart, but this time this is the average sales instead of sum of the sales.